Where are my keys? Jeez. What are they doing in there? Oh, I almost forgot. Okay guys, so I'm super excited about making today's video because I have been searching for this mod for my car for over a year now. I still can't believe that I actually have one of these in my hand right now. And if you watched the last video, you already know kind of what we're doing today, but if not, then maybe you should go check it out because, you know, support the channel. But anyway, before we get into it today, I gotta go to the store, get some things, as well as deposit a paycheck that I've got. So short montage starting now. I need to get gas too. So this mod is a direct replacement for the factory center emblem of the steering wheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to rip this off of here and then glue the new one down. And it's pretty straightforward. You can take this whole front thing off and pull this out of here, but I really don't think that's going to be necessary. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky, but I managed to get this front emblem off of here. Unfortunately, I damaged it a little bit, so I guess there's no going back now. Let me go ahead and show you guys the new emblem. So this guy is going to fit right over here, but these little prongs are just kind of too long, and if I was to try to make these prongs actually work, I would have to take off the airbag here, and then take the front cover off the airbag and actually wrap it around this piece. Yeah, so you can compare it to this one too. See, these prongs would go in these little slots and wrap around. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim these pieces so that way the emblem will fit and will go down against this piece nicely. And then I'm just going to glue it on there. And that's why I went to the store and bought super glue. Alrighty, so I honestly think that this might be the coolest mod that I've done to the car so far, besides the exhaust system. Like, this center cap just looks so freaking awesome, and to me it just completes this whole front look. Now eventually I'm probably going to replace this whole steering wheel with a newer model one because I like the feel on the newer Mustang wheels, but this center cap is going to stay because oh, it is just so awesome, and these are ultra rare. Like I said, I've been looking for this part for so long, and so now that I finally have this on my car, I'm just so excited to share it with you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this little install video. I know it wasn't a huge mod, but to me this makes a huge difference on the interior of the car. So for anyone that's new to the channel, I just want to do a quick overview of the different mods that I have on my car. So the first thing I did was I replaced the stock wheels with these cool aftermarket ones. I like that they're kind of a tribute to the GT500 style ones. I also put these racing stripes on here because the original owner tried to take off the stripes and they messed up the paint, so I had no option but to do new stripes, but I figured that I should put black ones on since I got the black wheels, and I think it looks pretty nice. I didn't put these hood pins on here. These came with the car, and I honestly hate them because they're fake. If they were real, it would be cool, but like, I just, don't do that, please. If you have a car, don't put fake hood pins on it. I made this gas cap. I think it looks pretty sick. I put a cool little pony emblem stencil on here, and I painted it black, and then I took the stencil off so the metal shows. This is a Roush Extreme catback exhaust. I still have the cats on this car, which is one of the mods that I intend on doing this year. I want to do long tube headers with an off-road X-pipe and really bring out the sound of this 3-valve. I didn't do the tint myself, but I took the car to the tint shop to get some darker tint. It's only 35%, which is the legal limit here in Oregon. And I thought about doing like 5% on here, or maybe 15, but like this car is already going to be super illegal, so the tint is not something I'm super concerned about. I put these aftermarket mirrors on here as well, and I did this. By the way, if you haven't already, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Kaidan Odom. If you see me driving around anywhere, you'll know it's me. I've got my little tag, so be sure to hit me up. And of course, I have the new steering wheel. Man, I can't get over that. That just looks so awesome to me. I know maybe you guys are just like, wow, it's just a center emblem, but having driven around with the old one on here, like it matches the chrome on the wheel, and it just looks so nice. Like, oh, I love it. It's not exactly a cold start, but there's a wall right there. All right, boys, you know I gotta do it to him. Oh man, I love it. What are we working on tonight, Owen?
Econ, bro.
Gotta graduate from Goon College. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. Go to the channel, subscribe, browse through, watch some of my other videos, even though they're terrible. You. What am I gonna do with this guy? Anyway guys, I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a good night, alright? Peace.